I want to lose weight, but I'm not seeing results. Many people probably feel the same way. Actually, just doing cardio alone isn't very effective. If you want to lose body fat, adding strength training is the fastest way. This time, it's designed to be easy even for beginners. I'll introduce 3 strength exercises that really work. The first strength exercise recommended for weight loss is squats. About 70% of the body's muscles are located in the lower body. By training this area, your basal metabolism increases. You can naturally build a body that burns fat more easily. The key point is not to let your knees go too far past your toes. By focusing on pushing your hips back, you can exercise safely and effectively. 2. The plank exercise. Because it trains your core muscles, including your abs and back, all at once. It's especially effective for those who want to tone their midsection. The key point is not to arch your lower back or raise your hips too high. The correct form is to keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. 3. The burpee exercise. Because it's a full body exercise, your heart rate rises quickly. You can burn a lot of calories even in a short time. If your goal is fat burning, this is one of the most effective exercises. The key is not to rush the movements and to keep proper form. Lower your chest all the way to the floor and perform the jump carefully to increase the effectiveness. For those who want to lose weight, the top 3 exercises are squats, planks, and burpees. They work large muscle groups, strengthen your core, and engage your whole body. This combination is the most efficient way to burn fat. Start with small numbers, like 3 reps or just 10 seconds. What matters most is doing it every day and staying consistent. From the day you decide to lose weight, your body begins to change. Let's start by trying just one thing from today. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Today is the youngest day of your life, let's start with a small step. We'll keep sharing helpful tips, so please like the video and subscribe to the channel.